Hello, Amanda from Spin Me Yarn here. Today we're going to do double crochet. So I've already chained 10 for our swatch plus 3 for our turning chain. You'll want to yarn over your hook, count back 1, 2, 3, and go into the 4th chain from the hook. So pull up so you have 3 loops, through 2, and through another 2. Yarn over through the chain, pull up, you have 3, yarn over and pull through 2, you should have 2 left, pull through the next 2, and there you go, you've got a nice double chain, double crochet. See if holding it like this helps any. Through the chain after yarning over, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and there's the double crochet. So last time we did half double crochet. This is very similar. So half you would pull through all 3. This one you pull through 1 set of 2, and then the other set of 2, and it's twice the height. Oh, got a bit of a yarn critter here. So yarn over, through 2, through 2. We're almost done the set of 10, and then we'll go on to do the linked double crochet. Much like with the linked half double, linked half double crochet. They are warmer than a normal double crochet. They also take slightly longer. Okay, so we're at the end. I'm going to stretch it out just a little bit to help kind of settle it in the line. And then 1, 2, 3. And so when you only had 2, I went into the bottom one. This is for the half double crochet. Since now we have 3 chains that are a turning chain, well, I'll turn that. I go into the middle one, pull up a loop, go into the stitch. So there we have 3, go through 2, go through 2. And then you want to go into the bottom loop again, just like in the half. Pull up the loop, through the stitch. So we have 3, go through 2, go through 2. And usually, if you have a pattern, it'll either say the turning chain, oops, this turning chain here is part of it, or it's not part of it. If it's part of it, you've got to work into the very top of it here. But in this case, we're just using it as a turning chain. It will make your edge kind of wavy, but it gives it the height so you don't have sort of a cinching on the edges. So through the loop, pull up 1, through the stitch, pull up 1, through 2, through 2. Oh, there we go. Now with this repertoire of various stitches, it would make a very nice warm scarf, or I've used it in a sweater, or whatever. If it calls for a double crochet and you think you want it warmer, try linked double crochet. I would recommend doing a swatch or 2 just to get used to it, because it's a little awkward at first, but once you get used to it, I can kind of zoom right along. Keep trying to do a regular double crochet. You'll find that happens too. So there's the last stitch, because that's our turning chain, so we're just going to ignore him. So again, like with the half double crochet, when you kind of pull it, I'm going to take that hook out so we're not clattering. So when you kind of stretch it out, you can see these big holes between the regular double crochet, and you don't really get that with the linked double crochet. It makes a more sturdy fabric. But there we go. So pick whatever you like, kind of test them out, get used to them. Until next time, goodbye.